how I got this makeup look. And yeah, this will be a Christmas get ready with me kind of a video. And I actually did not want to make this video super long. So what I did was I did my makeup, and then I added voiceover to it, because whenever I sit down to film a video, I don't know, I just end up talking so much and about random things. Okay, so so yeah, I hope you enjoy watching today's video. Also, Merry Christmas. And yeah, I just hope that this video can be entertaining for you, if even if you don't celebrate Christmas. And I kept the eye look pretty simple in this one. Actually, this is the same makeup that I did in my Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and a lot of my friends really complimented this look and were like, we really want a tutorial on that. So here it is. Okay, so the only difference is that I am not wearing a nude lipstick and I am wearing a red one. Other than that, the entire like makeup is the same. I've used the same products, the same techniques that I did in that video. So yeah, if you are interested, then please keep on watching. God, I'm so stupid. I did the entire voiceover but forgot to plug in my mic. Oh my god. Okay, let's do it again. So I'm taking the primer by inside and putting it on my nose, my forehead, and on my chin. And then whatever is left on my hand, I apply it on my cheeks. Then going in with a foundation. This one is from Maybelline. It's the Super Stay foundation. It is full coverage and hence you don't need a lot of this product. I just apply this in dots and then go in with a brush, a foundation brush. This one is from Wet n Wild. It's pretty good, and I just buff the product in. Don't forget your neck and also your ears. Next, going in with a concealer. This one is from Swiss Beauty, and I apply it on my inner corner near my nose and yeah, near my laugh lines. And then blend it in with a concealer brush. I also take whatever is left on the brush and run it across my eyelids. Next, going in with a loose powder. This is by K Beauty, and I believe this is the shade Banana. I just take it on a dry sponge and put it under my eye, and basically everywhere where we applied the concealer to set everything. Next, going in with a contour. This one is from Sugar, and I am taking the contour brush and putting it near my hairline, and then I also take some and put it where my ear starts and make this very silly face while doing it. Don't forget your jaw. And your chin, and in my case, my double chin. Doing the same on the other side. Going in with a blush. This is also from Sugar, and taking it on a blush brush, and then I will smile like a maniac and yeah, apply my blush. Doing the same thing on the other side. Next, I'm going in with a fluffy powder brush, and I am removing the excess powder that we applied earlier. Then going in with a little bit of concealer and applying it all over my eyelid. Then we will take this eyeshadow palette from NYX. This is the NYX Perfect Filter eyeshadow palette, and I will take that brown color. You can of course use any products. You seriously don't have to use the same products that I am using. So I'll just take the brown color, dust off the excess, and apply it basically all over my eyelid and blend it together. So the trick here is slowly building the color up. Don't take a lot of it in one go. And do the same on the other eye. And then going in with an eyeliner. This one is from Swiss Beauty and I am drawing a winged eye. So yeah, basically this is the entire look and it's so easy, but I cannot believe it looks very, I don't know, very presentable. Then I am taking this brow pencil by Etude House and just filling in my brows wherever I feel they are a bit sparse. And then I am doing the same on the other side, then running a spoolie across my brows. And then I am going in with this highlighter from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Precious Petals, and I'm taking it on a fan brush and applying it. Okay, so that is my reaction because I generally don't apply highlighter with a fan brush, but it's very intense. So I then went in with a smaller brush and blended the edges off, and I'm also highlighting the tip of my nose because I don't know, I really like highlighting my nose. And of course my brow bone. And lastly the inner corner. Highlighter is my favorite step of the entire makeup routine, you know. Next, going in with mascara, and with this one you really have to remove the excess mascara from the wand or else your lashes would clump a lot. I'm going in with a red lip liner. This is very old. I remember my friend gave it to me like years ago. I'm pretty sure it's expired, but I don't know. I'm still gonna use it. So just lining my lips, and then I will go in with the last step. I think so, the last step, which is applying the MAC lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. This is such a Christmassy color and this is so vibrant. I am actually going in with the brown shade and I'll apply it on my lower lash line. I forgot to do it earlier. It is such a small step, but I feel it makes a very big difference. Okay, so this is the final step. Now I'm going in with a makeup fixer and this one is from Faces and I'm applying it, not applying it, spraying it all over my face. For today's video, and only 5 or 6 days are left for Christmas. I'm not sure if I will be posting this on 24th or 25th. I'm still debating on that, but yeah, only some days are left for New Year. And how do you feel about that? I mean, this year has been a roller coaster for everyone, and I have been trying to keep myself sane by at least getting ready for the festives and not just laying around in my pajamas all day. So yeah, so that was it for today's video. Let me know how you feel about this makeup look, and if you will be trying this out, or if it was helpful or entertaining in any way, then let me know in the comments down below. Also, please tell me, what are your plans for Christmas? I think I will meet a couple of friends for Christmas. I mean, I will be obviously very safe while doing that, and yeah, I'm just meeting 2 friends and I will be meeting them after, I don't know, a really long time, almost a year. I've been really careful while stepping out of my house. I know a lot of people do not follow these guidelines anymore, and I see people partying all the time on Instagram, and I'm like, why? Why? Am I the only one who's supposed to follow the the lockdown rules or the guidelines? And I don't know, just let me know what is your take on this. I mean, are you someone who is feeling that things are normal now and it is okay to step outside, or are you like me and you're just paranoid to leave your house? Yeah, I will just stop talking and I'll go right now. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, then give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.